Okay, here we are at the assignment work today for lesson 95 in your Iditarod adventure packet. As I mentioned in the reading of the lesson, Susan Butcher is an actual person. So even though the story we're reading is fictional, Susan Butcher is actually a person who entered the Iditarod race 17 times. She did finish the race 16 times, and she won the race 4 times. Right? So she actually won the Iditarod 4 different times. And remember, in our reading, we heard she came in second place 4 times, and I believe came in third place 1 time. So in her 16 times of finishing the race, she has a very good record of coming in third, second, and first 4 times. This is a picture of her. So she's an actual person. So that part is nonfiction, right? We're reading a fictional story that has some actual true events, right? There is actually an Iditarod dog sled race each year. Susan Butcher did actually enter it 17 times and finish 16 times. Scholars, tomorrow in our assignment work video, I will share with you why she did not finish the race 1 time, right? She entered 17 times and finished 16 times, which means there's 1 time she did not finish the race. I did some digging to find out why that is, and I will share that with you in the next assignments post. All right, to our work in lesson 95. Let's take a look at what you're going to do today. A little preview and setting up our work. In this lesson, something interesting happens to the 16th musher on pages 123 and 124. How does this musher make the audience feel? What happened? Use a direct quote when answering. So scholars, musher 16 blank the crowd. Now, I'm going to give you a little hint since we were not able to be in person talking about this today, right? It starts with an A, and it's one of the vocabulary words from the lesson. So if you go back to our vocabulary words, right? Right? How does this musher make the audience feel? It starts with an A. So musher 16, A, the crowd. He did this because and then here, scholars, again, notice the quotation marks. So a direct quote, bing, 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 right here, direct quote, direct quote, direct quote, means actual words right from the story. So go to pages 123 and 124. What actual exact words from the story tell why he made the crowd feel whatever this word is, right? And it's not amazed. It sounds like something pretty similar to amazed. So now you know the second letter is M. All right. So if you want, you can pause and do that right now. But I'm going to explain a little bit about this one. Write about a time something funny has happened to you, or you saw something funny happen. So here, make sure you're writing that connection, right? So something funny happened to you, or you saw something funny happen. Okay? Checking in quickly on our rubric before you jump into that work. So you get 1 point if you named the correct emotion here, right? What did he make the audience feel? So if you wrote sad, right? Tell you right now, Musher 16 did not sadden the crowd. So you would not get a point for that. So make sure you have the correct emotion, the correct feeling. And then, did you write a correct quote, right? Direct quote from the story that tells why, like what happened that made the audience feel that. And if it goes with your emotion claim, you get a point. And then a point for, right, your connection that you made here. So something funny that happened to you or something funny you saw happen, you're going to get a point for that. a half a point for capitalizing, and a half a point for punctuating, which gives you again today a total of up to 5 points for your written response work. All right. Good luck with this, scholars. Remember, direct quote words right from the story that support that emotion, that feeling that the audience got. Then remember, submit a photo of your work. And thanks for listening.